Now this question of compound interest, it might look difficult when you will make the equations, but believe me, it's very easy to solve the equation to find out the value of principal. Okay, so let's start solving this. Now Madanlal invested a certain amount of money in a bank. After 3 years, the total interest, it's not the amount, the interest became 20,000. So interest for 3 years. So we'll make an equation. 20,000 will be equal to principal bracket 1 plus rate of interest upon 100 raised to the power 3. The number of years is 3 because the power will be 3 because rate of interest is compounded annually. So this is the amount on the right hand side. If I subtract principal from this, it will become the interest. Okay. Now this is equation number 1, and second equation will be 45,000, which is the interest after a total of 6 years. So after another 3 years, that means a total of 6 years, the equation will be principal bracket 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 power 6 minus the principal. Okay. Now in both these equations, what I'll do is I'll do the substitution. 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power 3. I'll substitute it as x. Okay, just to make this equation look simple. Okay, so the first equation, 20,000, is equal to p into x minus p, or I can write it as p times x minus 1, and 45,000 is equal to p x square minus p. If I take p common, I get x square minus 1, which can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. I will divide both these equations. So 20,000 upon 45,000, which is 4 upon 9, is equal to, on the right hand side, p and x minus 1 will get cancelled. So I'll be left with only 1 upon x plus 1. So from here, the value of x will be 9 by 4 minus 1, that is 5 by 4. Now, once I've got the value of x, I can substitute in any of these equations, either equation number 1 or equation number 2, to get the value of p. So substituting this value in equation number 1, substituting the value of x here, so the value of p that I'll get will be 20,000 divided by x minus 1. So 5 by 4 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. So it will be 80,000. So the principal is asked in this question, which is equal to 80,000, and that will be the final answer.